welcome back. This is round 3 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Belair Prep on 7 and Solid Base Prep on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Jaden Green of Belair Prep, who's up against Giovanni Nita of Solid Base Prep. Jaden, we begin with you. What is 11 and 5 over 9 as an improper fraction?
(104/9).
That's right. What is 3 3/4 as a percentage?
375%.
That's correct. What's the product of 0.125 and 1,000?
125.
That's correct. What's the mean of 41, 55, and 6?
34.
Came right on time. That is correct. What is 450 decreased by 10%?
405.
That is correct. 5 of 5. Jaden, that brings us over to you, Giovanni. What is 13 and 3 over 8 as an improper fraction?
95/8.
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
Yes, sir. Yes, please. 107/8.
That is correct. Giovanni, what is 6.5 as a percentage?
650%.
That's correct. What is 25.1 divided by 100?
0.251.
That's right. What's the mean of 65, 23, and 17?
35.
That's correct. What is 660 increased by 10%?
726.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Jonathan Davis of Belair Prep. Jonathan is up against Dravid Waters of Solid Base Prep. Jonathan,